Tata Hexa versus Kia Carnival. This is the best and the right time to compare with the Carnival. Yes, Tata Hexa is SUV, but not only SUV, it is also best MPV or best MUV. You can see Tata Hexa is launched on 2016 and it's this one is urban bronze. It has launched in 2017 to 18 and it gets a wireless charger, and not only that, it gets a brownish color and downtown edition. You can see not only that, it gets 10 inches rear touchscreen. You can see on the screen, and not only that, the best luxurious seats for urban downtown edition. Not only that, it gets 18 inches diamond cuts, 6-speed automatic, 156 PS power, horsepower. And not only that, it gets a very best and it's a best SUV and MUV Hexa downtown edition. Now this is the compare. Now we are talking about Kia Carnival. Kia Carnival is recently launched in 2020 and it's a best business. It's a best and best. It also gets a rear touchscreen. That's why I'm comparing with Hexa. And not only that, it's also 8-speed automatic version and it gets a 7 inches touchscreen. And not only that, it's also middle storage door. And now we can go overall review. Let's go, and overall review will be start now. Tata Hexa is a very aggressive looking and also smiling face and strong body. And Tata Hexa projector headlamps, normal headlamps and blinkers also. And DRLs and fog lamps, it's a best segment, it's a best MUV, MPV. And Kia Carnival is a best and good, and its grille is good, and overall it's good. Projector headlamps, it's get 2 projector headlamps, DRLs and normal blinkers. Fog lamps has getted mini sized 4. It's a good. Tata Hexa is a fresh look, and this is the side view, and it is based on Aria. And this fresh look has a 19 inches diamond cut alloy wheels, and the Carnival is, you can see the Carnival is a sliding door version, and it has a normal alloy wheels and it is 18 inches alloy wheels. And this is the back view of Hexa. And the tail lamps, you can see the tail lamps of Hexa there. The tail lamps, blinkers and reverse parking, high braking system, and the Hexa badge there. And the Carnival, you can see the Sport Q bumper, and it's good. And tail lamps, you can see the tail lamps is very good and not better than Hexa. Tata Hexa has a rich feeling interior like leather dashboard, metallic plastics. You can see the steering wheel and cruise control voice commands and some other features, phone. And you can see the instrument cluster. It has a very cool look and mini digital information like fuel, 7 inches touchscreen and fast response from this touchscreen Hexa experiences, and 6-speed automatic gearbox, and driving modes like comfort and rough road and auto and dynamic. It's good and excellent features. And you can see wireless charged near armrest from front driver seat. And you can see this Carnival new look, this interior. And you can see the steering wheel, it also has gated cruise control and airbags. And you can see the instrument cluster and many digital information like Hexa, and 7 inches touchscreen like Hexa, but not then fast response. And this is the 8-speed automatic gearbox. It's a very excellent feature. And this is the driving modes like eco, sport and auto hold and some other features. And it also gets wireless charger near gearbox. Tata Hexa gets a rear touchscreen. It is 9 inches and it's only available in Downtown Edition. Kia Carnival is a 10 inches touchscreen rear seats. Hexa gets a very comfortable seats. You can see there it's a leather touched material and height adjustable, manual adjustable seats. It is not automatic, but whatever it may be, it's good. And Hexa is available in 6-seater and 7-seater, and Urban Edition only available in 6-seater. Kia Carnival gets a comfort seats, but not than Hexa. Hexa is very comfort. And you can see their middle row of Carnival gets automatic adjustable seats and leg rest, armrest and whatever. And you can see Kia Carnival available in 7-seater, 8-seater, 9-seater. You can see in the picture.